Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Ft.Unice Hair, or Ft.Unice Hair, however you want to say it. I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Let's go ahead and unbag this unit. Okay, you get your pink box, and I have not opened this up yet. In the box, you get your unit in the bag, and then they included an edge brush, an HD wig cap, and they also included an edge band. Oh, this edge band is so cute. I like how they're always switching stuff up, okay? But this one is really cute. It's nice and thin. I love the chocolate brown and the pink together. Not me getting all happy over the edge band. This little comb right here. I'm guessing this is like a detangling comb. But let's go ahead and open up this unit. Also comes with lace tape before we dive into this. This is their new Bye-Bye Slip Wig. This is a water wave texture. It has 7x5 lace, 180% in density, and 24 inches in length. It does come with your pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and also your pre-bleached knots. They also include little baby hairs right here in the front, as you guys can see. This is your upgraded cap. So you have this new slip band right here. You get a comb in the nape area. So get your drawstring band right here. And this is supposed to help the wig not slip back, keep everything nice and tight. No combs on the side. And then of course you have your bands back here for extra comfort. Y'all cannot hear the grass cutting that's going on outside of my window. I'm hoping my microphone does what it needs to do. The lace is looking like, and it looked like it is matching up really well to my skin. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to add any tint spray, because usually I like to add my tint spray, but I'm not sure. So with this upgraded cap, it's supposed to help everything feel more secure and also more comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap and move my hairs out of the way, except for my sideburns. I'll leave my sideburns alone. And I'm going to just tighten up this strap right here. So this is what it is looking like on. I did not even adjust the drawstring in the nape area because this feels very secure on my head. I don't think I need to adjust it. It's laying down flat right now. Let me see if I adjust it. Is it gonna feel uncomfortable? Oh, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It just tightens it up more back here. For my small head, I feel like this is on very good. It's not bunching up too much. It's a little bit big right here in the back area, but it's laying down very flat, if that makes sense. Up in this area, it's secure, it's snug. I'm not having any issues at all. This wig pretty much looks like it's ready to go. I don't feel like much is going to be needed to be done. As far as the hairline goes, this hairline looks really good. If you're not a fan of the little baby hairs, you can always just kind of pluck them out and move them out of the way. But this parting space definitely looks like scalp. It's nice and open in the middle, and then of course you can move it to the side. Oh, I like how nice and open it is on the side. Now keep in mind, this is only a 7x5, and right here everything is laying down flat by my ear. Ear's not bending, ear's not bending. So this is fitting me pretty well. I don't have any complaints when it comes to the fit on this. I think I can just go ahead and get started with installing this unit because it's literally on. Like it's on. It's pretty snug. I don't think I would tighten up anything anymore, like, because then I feel like it's just gonna be really, really tight on my head. But loving the texture so far. Feels good. Has a nice sheen to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this unit, and then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you my final thoughts when it comes to this new upgraded wig. think if you're looking for a ready-to-wear waterway wig, this one is definitely going to work out well for you. I didn't have to add any tint spray to the front of this hairline. Like, I didn't have to add any at all, and look how well the lace is laid. Of course, this is a glueless install, so you see me going underneath, and it's pretty snug, so I'm having to lift it up. But yeah, glueless install, no powder at the front of the hairline, no powder into the parting space area. The baby hairs look good. I did kind of tweeze them out just a little bit more, but I didn't add any product to the hairs because I wanted them to look really nice, soft, and fluffy. So I'm not mad at this. You know, sometimes they can be a little bit overwhelming, but I feel like it works well with the front of this. The hairline is plucked out really nice, and like I said, they did a good job with bleaching the knots on this unit. I just went in with a little bit of my olive oil mousse around the front of the hairline, and I was good to go. I was good to go. All I had to do was really fluff this up. However, I went in with a little bit of my Tresemme Bouncy Curls Defining Cream, and I just added a little bit to the hair and also towards the ends of the hair because the ends were just a little bit frizzy. I didn't have to put any water or anything in this unit. This, yeah, ready to go. Ready to go. And usually I could say ready to go and still have to go in with some tint, but I didn't have to. I could just plop this on, fluff it out, and go. So if you're in a rush and you're looking for a waterway wig that you don't have to do a lot to, you might want to look no further. The part was super easy because it already comes as the middle part. I just added a little bit of heat to the very front of the hairline. I pressed it down a little bit at the top, and I just fluffed it up. Like I said, I added my product in, and then I did like a cute little half up, half down. It really wasn't too much of a half up, half down because this is a 7x5, and I didn't want to show those tracks on the side, but even that looked good, and it showed off the front of the hairline. And then I just moved it to a side part, and I just put a little bit more product in when I moved it to the side part, but even then the side part still looks very, very good. And I just fluffed the hair up a little bit more. Really good density to it. It's lightweight, but you can also feel just a little bit, not too heavy. Of course, once you add your water and more product, I feel like it's going to define the waves a little bit more, but I just wanted to showcase what it looks like straight out of the box. So keep in mind, I have not washed or did anything to this yet except for put it on and just kind of fluff it up. Also, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a little bit of shedding when I was running my fingers through it from adding the product. And then snags, I expect some snags to happen just because of the texture of this unit. Now let's talk about fit. This is really tight on my head. I could loosen up that strap in the back. It's digging into the back of my head. So this isn't going anywhere. Like, this isn't going anywhere. I would have to literally tug and pull this thing off. It's tight. It's tight. Like, you don't even need the drawstring. The drawstring to me would just be overdoing it. Now, if you have a bigger head, I don't really like to say bigger head, but if you have a larger head than me, then you might want to tighten it up a little bit more. But I can undo that thin strap. That thin strap is holding. It's holding into place. I tightened mine up all the way, and I really didn't need to. I was a little bit worried about the thinner strap because, of course, I'm so used to the thicker, removable, adjustable elastic band. But that one is going to get the job done. It's going to get it done. On top of the comb, I don't got much to hold on to in the nape area, but this is snug. Now, like I said, there's a little bit of room back here in the cap, but the fit overall, it's fitted. It's fitted on. I like the comfort around the ear because it's not bending or anything. So I think if you have a small head, you'll be happy about this. I would just pin back here, but it's not bulging to the fact I feel like it's so loose. It's showcasing, y'all know what I mean. Like when you turn around and the wig be so loose back here, you can see the cap. It's not doing any of that. And I also love how nice and flat it's laying at the top. I don't really have any complaints about it. Keep in mind, like I said, this is straight out of the box, so I haven't had to do much to it. If you are interested in this new Bye Bye Slip wig, I am going to make sure to leave all the information down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again.